All right, let's try to understand the problem. So we are given an array over here of non-negative integers. So the array over here, the elements of this array are 1, 8, 6, 2, 5, 4, 8, 3, and 7. Now each element of the array represents a vertical bar. So the first element is 1, so that is represented by the bar of height 1. Second is 8, so the height of the second bar is 8. Third one is 6, fourth is 2, so on and so forth. Okay, now let's see what happens when it rains. So the water is going to be collected over here in this small box. The water is going to be collected here all the way up till here. And it's going to be collected over here. Water will not be collected on the left side of the first bar, because whatever water that falls here, it's going to just go away because there is no bar on the left side to hold the water. Similarly, all the rain that falls on this side, on the right side of this last bar, is going to flow away on the right side. So there will be no water here and there will be no water here. We need to find out the container with most water. So I can draw a container like this. This is a legitimate container, but it is still not the biggest container. I can draw a container like this, but it's not a legitimate container because there is no water here. So this is a big container, but there is no water here. So it's not a legitimate container. I can draw a container like this. Again, this is not legitimate because there is no water here. There is no water here. I can draw a container like this. It's really a big container, but it's not a legitimate container because it cannot have like container has to be a rectangle, and this is not a rectangle. So the largest container, which is rectangle, that I can legitimately draw is going to be this guy, this one. So this is a rectangle and it's totally filled with water. So what is the area of this container? The length of this container is going to be this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the height of this container is this much, which is the height of this bar 7. So the area of this container is going to be 7 times 7 is equal to 49. So we need to write a function that takes input as an array and it should do some calculations and output should be 49.